For my next video, I'd like to do one on data usage, how to read it, manipulate it on your phone. I'm using the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. I'm sure this will also work on, well, I know it'll work on the tablet. I know it'll work on some older phones, S24, S23. So let's dive right in here. So let's go into settings, and you'll want to go into connections, and then scroll down to data usage. Now on this page tells us a lot of things. At the top it says I have 724 meg of mobile data used from July 1st to July 31st. So as you can see, I don't use my mobile data that much. I have an unlimited plan, but I don't need it. I use my Wi-Fi. So we have an option here. Let's just go right on down the line here. Data saver. Data saver helps cut down your data usage by preventing apps from using data in the background. While turned on, the data saver icon will be shown in the status bar. So we can do that. That's an option if we want. Again, I don't care. I have unlimited data in both Wi-Fi and mobile data. So allowed networks for apps. Set whether apps should use Wi-Fi only, prefer mobile data, or use whichever is available. So you can set mobile data or Wi-Fi, or say for example, this one, I want just Wi-Fi, or I want just mobile data. So pretty powerful feature here in case there's one that you don't want to use your mobile data if you're out and about and it's going to accidentally pull on it. Sometimes you can turn it off with that. Okay, mobile data, access the internet through your mobile network. That's kind of just obvious. Mobile data usage, again, that's what I've used. Data usage is measured by your phone. This may be different if your service provider measurements from. So you can scroll down and see what used, how amount, what amount, and then you can also change the billing cycle. Then this is nice for people who are limited on their data. You can set a data warning and you can tell it when, or you can set a data limit on how much. So say for example, you only have 1 gig of data, then that's how you would set that. You would limit yourself to 1 gig, or even maybe like 0.99 meg, and then that way it wouldn't hit the 1 gig and it's not going to bill you then. So most all providers want you, of course, to go over, because their overage rate is pretty high compared to their normal rate. So that's really a nice feature for people that have limited usage. And then we can also go back on different months. On mobile data usage, we can go back and see different months and what it was in different months ago. Then we have our Wi-Fi usage. So from June 23rd to July 21st, I've used 142 gigs. So, and again, here the same thing. Each app, you can see what pulled the most amounts, etc. So you tap on it and allow background data usage, allow data usage while data saver is on. So you can allow that. So you can really tweak this so many ways. It's limitless the way it, once again, as everything is with Samsung and or Android. There's so many things you can do to tweak your phone. It's not like an Apple, definitely not like that. There's so many things. It's for people that really want to use their phone and get deep into it. If you just want to get emails and stuff like that, you know, fine, you know, and that's not me hating. That's me being around the phone business and electronics for 40 years of my life. So I've been doing it since I was 16, 17. So anyway, that's way off topic. So there's the different settings for our phone's data usage. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.